Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing business template title slide in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and choose a dark background. And then you have to insert a rectangle and then rotate it like this. Go to edit points and you have to make it curved like this. Be sure to make a curve and note like this that it is too much like it have a corner. You have to make sure that it doesn't have a corner. All you have to do is just make it bending, and then you're gonna change its color to white and increase its transparency. The next thing you're gonna do is insert a rounded corner rectangle on the upper top right corner, and let's change its color and insert a circle of same height and width, and you're gonna change its color to the same color you used for the rounded corner rectangle. Duplicate it and you have to make it smaller, and then you have to insert an image in it about your business or related to the business or any team member of your business. So I'll use the image of this person right here, but let's just change this image because I want a more high better resolution image. So we can also use this image, but let's just go and use an image from the file. So I'll insert the image of these buildings. Let's crop it out and put the circle right into the middle and the center of the circle, larger one. And you're gonna insert a text box that is for the title, and let's insert a small circle right next to the title, and the next thing we're going to do is change its color and remove its outline, and you're gonna insert a small circle of same height and width, and then you're gonna change its color and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and place it simultaneously like this, and you have to select all of them and group them by pressing Ctrl plus G. Let's move this circle and let's decrease the size of this circle. Put it right here like this and insert our text box for the main title, and let's increase its size and change its font, and let's change its color as well, and let's decrease the size of this rectangle. And the next thing we're going to do is insert your content text. I'll use some copied text and let's give it line spacing and change its color to white, and let's decrease its size. Here you go. Now insert a rounded corner rectangle and change its color and remove its fill and give it an outline and insert some text in it. Here you go. Next, insert a small triangle right here. Change its color to the same color you used for the circles and other shapes. Decrease its size and you have to rotate it and place it like this and duplicate it and place that one next to it. So here you go. Now let's rotate these triangles as well. Now insert a small circle, change its color, and you have to use a different and darker shade for the same color. Let's give some text in it and insert a small circle and change its color to yellow. And I'll just put it right here, and let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 3 times. Go to Insert tab and go to Icons, and from here insert 4 icons for your circles. And I'll just change their color to white, and then let's put them right here and increase the size accordingly. As you can see, these white color are not visible onto the yellow, so I'll just use black color for now. So let's put each of the icon in each of the circle. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.